Utilizing a massive hydraulic press, the glowing titanium is crushed, forming the rough shape of a wing box spar.
Millimeter off on the y-axis. Adjusting now.
Confirmed alignment. We are green for installation.
Hold it steady right there. All right, lowering now. Look seated, start the sequence.
Make sure that baffle is aligned correctly.
Okay, I'm applying the sealant now. Check the pressure.
Hold steady on the starboard side.
Ready for contact. Initiating seal.
Port side secure.
Feed the yellow cable through section 3.
Secured. Moving to the blue harness now.
Snap to gauntlets. Applying high temperature grease to the mattest.
The air intake ramps cycle smoothly, electronically adjusting airflow for both subsonic and supersonic flight. In a feat of engineering precision, the fuselage sections align to within microns before the team moves in to secure the primary structural bolts.
These pipes will carry bleed air from the engines to heat the cockpit and cool the electronics.
Pull together now, keep it high off the floor. Steady, steady, watch the starboard side.
Scene 31. Lubricating the ejection seat rails. This thin coat of lithium grease is critical for the mechanism's instantaneous deployment.
Lower slowly. Watch the alignment on the port side. Okay, lock it in. Start securing the main shaft bolts.
Make sure the brake lines are routed correctly before I tighten this clamp.
They are. Go ahead and secure it.
Following installation, the nose wheel steering is tested, rapidly articulating left and then sweeping quickly to the right, demonstrating precise ground maneuverability. The rhythmic tightening ensures the carbon stack and steel shims are perfectly seated, ready to absorb the incredible forces required to stop a massive jet.
The leading edge slats must synchronize perfectly to ensure an optimal aerodynamic seal when retracted. The massive vertical stabilizer begins its final descent, guided by the overhead cranes with millimeter precision.
The horizontal tailplane is carefully slid onto the titanium pivot pin. A worker tightens the locking nut. Scene 44. Static wick installation. These small components play a vital role in the aircraft's passive safety systems.
Watch the clearance on the left. Okay, bring it up, hydraulics. Confirm secure. All right, easy now. Take her up slowly. Keep it steady.
This mesmerizing display highlights the technology that gives the SU-35 its unmatched super maneuverability.
Millimeter to the right. Watch the clearance.
Copy that. Moving slowly.
Alignment confirmed.
Lower 3 meters.
Hold it there. Check alignment left side. Alignment confirmed. Lowering sequence complete.
Radio check, radio check. How's the fidelity on the encrypted channel?
As the final clear coat is applied to the wingtip pod, the microscopic iron ball particles begin to reduce the jet's radar cross-section.
Flight hydraulics, check. Boost pumps engaged. Master caution acknowledged. Checklist complete.
Fighter 2-1, wind calm, runway heading, cleared for immediate departure.
Cleared for departure, Fighter 2-1.
Look at this spike in the exhaust gas temperature on engine 2. That correlates exactly with the fuel flow drop we saw earlier.
We need to flag this for maintenance immediately.
Today marks a new era in our aviation capabilities. We celebrate the induction of the Red 01,